Here in this lecture, we are discussing about parallel form realization of IIR digital filters. Here, if the system given in a difference equation, here from that given difference equation, first of all, we are determining the system function, means h of z of the system. After determining h of z of the system, we are expanding that h of z by partial fraction expansion of the form h of z is equal to c plus summation k equal to 1 to capital N ck by 1 minus pk into z power minus 1. I am taking this is the equation 1. Here pk indicates what? Poles. Here we are expanding equation 1, summation k is equal to 1 to n. Here h of z is equal to c plus c1 by 1 minus p1 z power minus 1 plus c2 by 1 minus p2 z power minus 1 plus so on plus cn by 1 minus p capital N z power minus 1. Here h of z can be written as what? Y of z by x of z. Here y of z by x of z is equal to c1. Here I am considering this is the h1 of z, h2 of z plus so on hn of z. Here y of z by x of z is equal to what? C plus h1 of z plus h2 of z plus so on plus hn of z. Here from this we are determining the y of z cross multiplication. Here y of z is equal to what? C into x of z plus h1 of z into x of z plus h2 of z into x of z plus so on plus hn of z into x of z. I am taking this is the equation 3. Now we are realizing this equation 3 by using parallel form realization. This realization is the realization of the given system in given difference equation or the system function. Okay, here here in this equation y of z indicates what? Output. X of z indicates what? Input it is. Here in time domain, x of input is x of n, output is y of n it is. Here actually the x of z is multiplied with what? C, means in time domain it is x of n, it is in z domain x of z it is, frequency domain x of z. Okay, here c into x of z. Here how to obtain c into x of z? This x of z is multiplied with c it is. Okay, here this signal indicates what? C into x of z. Here it is added with what? This is added with what? h1 of z into x of z it is. Here this is h1 of z. Here the x of z is multiplied with h of z. Here this term is added with what? C into x of z. Okay, similarly next h2 of z is multiplied with x of z. h2 of z is multiplied with x of z. This is the x of z is multiplied with h2 of z. It is added with the previous one, this one. Okay, and continues this process. At last we are adding this term. Here means x of z is multiplied with what? hn of x of z is multiplied with x of z is multiplied with hn of z. X of z is multiplied with hn of z. It is added with the previous. Okay, here this produces what? An output sequence y of z or y of n it is. Okay, this is the parallel form realization of digital filter, IIR digital filter it is. Here now we are observing one problem based on this realization. Actually in this we are realizing h1 of z, h2 of z and so on hn of z. How we can realize it? One, we are realizing each of h of z can be obtained realized by using direct form to realization. We are realizing it by direct form to realization. H1 object, H2 object, H3 object and so on are realized by direct form to realization. Okay, now coming to the example, we are realizing the given difference equation in parallel form it is. Okay, in parallel form, here this is the given difference equation. We are realizing this difference equation in parallel form it is. How we can realize it? One, first we are determining in parallel form realization, we are determining system function, h of z of the system it is. Here y of n is given. Okay, here we are determining it applying z transform to equation 1. From this equation we are determining the ratio of y of z to the x of z it is. That is indicates what? System function. Applying z transform to the equation 1 it is. Okay, and simplifying the equation. Okay, from that equation we are determining the ratio y of z to the x of z, that is the system function h of z is equal to 0.7 minus 0.252 z power minus 2 by 1 plus 0.1 z power minus 1 minus 0.72 z power minus 2. Here observe the maximum power in negative power in z is what? 2 it is. Same. Here m and n are same. Here this is n, this is m it is. This is capital N, this is capital N. Same. Here we are dividing the numerator with the denominator. Okay, dividing like this it is. Okay, here we are taking minus 0.72 z power minus 2 plus 0.1 z power minus 1 plus 1. Here 0.7 into here z power minus 1 term is 0. 0 into z power minus 1 minus 0.252 z power minus 2 it is. Here we are multiplying this one with 0.35. Okay, 1 into 0.35. Similarly, this term 0.1 into z power minus 1 into 0.35 is what? 0.035 z power minus 1. If this 0.35 is multiplied with minus 0.72 z power minus 2 minus 0.252 z power minus 2 it is. Okay, we are subtracting this value from this value it is. Means sign minus, minus, plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus into minus, plus, plus. Here this this is minus, this is plus, this is get cancel it is. Here 0 minus 0.035 into z power minus 1 is minus 0.035 z power minus 1. Here 0.7 minus 0.35 it is. Here h of z is equal to what? H of z can be written as what? 0.35 plus the remainder minus 0.35 minus 0.035 z power minus 1 by this term it is. Here 1 plus 0.1 z power minus 1 plus minus 0.72 z power minus 2. Here I am taking this is the equation 2 it is. Here now we are taking this term, we are applying partial fractions to, we are performing partial fraction to the h of z. How we can perform it? One, first of all we are applying partial fraction to this equation it is, this term. Here we are considering this term it is. Here we are how to represent it in we are applying partial fraction to this one. How to obtain this one? We are applying, first of all we are representing the denominator in terms of roots it is. Okay, here after determining partial fraction of this one, we are substituting that equation in this equation it is, this value in this equation. Okay, partial fraction expansion of this value in this equation. Okay, that is 0.35 minus 0.035 z power minus 1 by 1 plus 0.1 z power minus 1 minus 0.72 z power minus 2 is equal to 0.35 minus 0.035 z power minus 1 by roots. We are representing the denominator in roots. It is 1 plus 0.9 z power minus 1 into 1 minus 0.8 z power minus 1. We are applying partial fraction to this equation. It is here a by one root and b by another root. It is okay. Here we are calculating the a value. How to calculate the a value? A is equal to this term by into the denominator of a for the denominator to 0, means from that we are determining z power minus 1. For z power minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 0.9. We are cancelling the terms. After cancelling the terms, we are substituting z is equal to minus point. Here the two terms are same. We are cancelling these two terms and then substituting z power minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 0.9. Here we are getting the a value. A is equal to 0.206. In similar fashion, we are getting the b value. It is okay. 0.144 it is okay. We are substituting a and b values in equation a and b values in equation 4. In this equation it is here, this one is equal to 0.206 by 1 plus 0.9 z power minus 1 plus 0.144 by 1 minus 0.8 z power minus 1. Here we are substituting this is the partial fraction representation of this term. It is now we are substituting this equation in equation 2. That equation becomes what? That equation becomes h of z is equal to 0.35 plus 0.0206 by 1 plus 0.9 z power minus 1 plus 0.144 by 1 minus 0.8 z power minus 1. Here this is can be written as what? C. H of z is equal to C plus h1 of z. I am considering it is h1 of z, it is h2 of z. Okay. Here from this we are observing C, h1 of z and h2 of z. Okay. Here from this star, this h of z is equal to what? H of z can be written as what? Y of z by x of z is equal to what? C into h1 of z plus h2 of z. Here now we are realizing h of z. H of z means how to write h of z? Y of z by x of z it is. Here we are representing this in terms of what? C plus h1 of z plus h2 of z. Here we are observing C, comparing this equation with the star. From that we are observing C value, h1 of z and h2 of z. Here h of z is equal to what? Y of z by x of z is equal to what? C plus h1 of z plus h2 of z. Here from this we are determining y of z. Y of z is equal to what? C into x. Here observe this one. Here h of z is equal to this one. Here from how to write h of z? Y of z by x of z, which is equal to what? C plus h1 of z plus h2 of z. Okay. From this we are determining y of z. Y of z is equal to what? C into x of z plus h1 of z into x of z plus h2 of z into x of z. Here we are realizing this equation. It is here. This is the realization of this equation. Okay. Here C value is what? Already we are observing C value. C value is 0.35. 0.35 into x of z. This is nothing but x of n or x of z it is. Y of n or y of z. Okay. Here C into x of z. 0.35 into x of z. Here plus h1 of z into x of z. This is the h1 of z. Here means we are realizing equation 7 means h1 of z. How we can realize it one? By using direct form to realization it is. Okay, this is the direct form to realization of h1 of z. Okay, h1 of z is multiplied with what? X of z it is. Okay, this is h of z multiplied with x of z. It is added with this term it is. Okay, similarly we are realizing h2 of z by direct form to realization. This is the direct form to realization of h2 of z. Here it is multiplied with what? X of z. It is multiplied with x of z. It is added with what? Previous two terms it is. Okay. Here produces an output. Y of z or y of n. Input is x of n. output is y of n. Here this is the realization of parallel form realization of the given digital filter given in difference equation.